This is Karcher's CV31 upright vacuum cleaner for professional use. This lightweight machine is really simple to operate, store and move around. The CV30 features a single motor to operate the vacuum and the rotating brush, which provides great performance but keeps the weight of the machine down to around 8.5 kilos. The machine provides great suction power and cleans deep into the pile of the carpet. All controls are easily identified in yellow. Bag access and brush height adjuster, foot pedal, tool storage, handle height adjuster, and cable storage. The built-in wander hose and crevice tool clean right into corners and edges, as well as up high. The roller brush also features a wear indicator and a slip clutch to prevent damage if something is accidentally sucked into the machine. The red warning light indicates a blockage in the suction hose or that the dust bag is full. To make unblocking of the suction hose easy, there's an access point here on the back of the machine. Changing the dust bag is fast and mess-free. Just open the front panel, turn the lever and remove the bag. Replacement is just as easy. The Karcher CV31, a lightweight, professional, upright vacuum cleaner with typical Karcher build quality.